Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 19th, 2021. We're here to give you all the price prediction update and the market for Churchill Capital. CCIV is the ticker symbol today. We need some things that we need to address. We need to talk about what has occurred in the market in Churchill Capital since our last video, and then try to get in position to see whether or not the market in CCIV is still a buy, or is it a sell, or what in the world will the price go? We need to talk about all of that today on this video. So if today's the first time ever viewing our videos, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe, and come back to this channel. In all honesty, you need to make sure you come back to this channel because we're one of the only organizations that is giving you all a heads up as to where the price is going to go. There have been plethora of YouTube channels that literally only give you one direction for these stocks, and it's always higher. They're always pumping these stocks up. They're always telling you that these are buys, and if it even drops in price, they want you to buy more of it on the low, when they do not even know how low the market is going to go. Right? For us, we're going to give you the unbiased direction as to where these prices are going to go. We could care less as to whether or not the market always go higher or if it goes lower, because you can profit in any direction of which the market is going to go. So make sure you do all of that. Like, share, subscribe, come back to this channel so that you can always be updated as to what's going on in the market. All right, so let's break this down real quick. You guys can see our last price prediction was on April the 7th or April the 8th, and we played in weakness. Even then, we still saw that CCIV was giving us a lot of weakness on that video. So right here, April the 15th was when we got that ultimate TP price profit out the market for CCIV. Congratulations. You guys can see right here, 11.81% profitability to the market. That's done. That is over. We always be forward thinkers. We always get in a position to try to anticipate where the market is going to go. And again, since we broke this area of support right here in the market in CCIV, that tells us a lot. Okay, especially on April the 15th, we broke that support area. So going forward, $21, maybe even $22.50 is restriction. Okay, don't expect the market in CCIV to go higher until it breaks that number, $22.50. That at least tells us that the market is still at least trying to re-strengthen itself to go higher in price, right? We're not seeing that yet. Okay, that's the first thing. We're not seeing the market give us any indication that strength is entering here in CCIV. Take a look at the 2-day time frame. Even here, the volume is high. The market closed on the low. What do you all expect? The market to drop or the market to go higher? Like, it tells us everything we need to know. The weakness is still present in CCIV. I think I told you that if we wasn't able to hold support around $21, that the next support area is going to be down here around 18 or even $17.50. That's the next area. That's where the market currently look like it's headed, right here to $17.50 to $18. Okay, real quick, let's look at this on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see here, even on a 3-day, the market is giving us weakness. The only way that we would change the weakness from being seen on the price chart in CCIV is if the market comes back up this new 3-day price bar that's going to form when we close right back up above it. Then that will be a massive indication that the market strength is now back in play and that you would expect the market to go higher. Until that time, you got to play the weakness. Next, let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Even here, the market is still giving us a push to go down bar, which lets us know that the market is still weak. So, I don't know what to tell you. The market here is still showing the inability to show us strength and go higher in price. This is the 3-week time frame. And here, the market is still reflecting weakness. So we still have another bout of weakness to go through in a CCIV. I mean, even when I transition over to the hourly time frame, I don't see any indicators of market strength. None. So we're looking for the market to drop. $17.50 will be the first area, all the way back down towards 15. So let's take a look at that real quick and see what is the percentage movement down to 1750. So we said 1750. It's about 10%. 10.25%. The market can still drop in CCIV, right? Now I told you that's at $17.50. We can see it come down to 15. Right? Which is about 22% drop in price. All right, so we're going to do this here though. We're going to play it around $17. Okay. Which is about 13% market movement to the downside from where we are at on Friday. And we're still going to play the weakness. I don't see anything else that would substantiate that the market is strong. Now, you may see something totally different that we don't see. That's why there's a comment section on our videos, because we want you all to tell us if you see anything totally different that will substantiate that the market in CCIV is going to go higher in price. Until that time, this is the current trajectory as to where the market is going to go in CCIV. I mean, I looked at all these different time frames: the daily, the 2-day, the 3-day time frame, the weekly time frame, the 3 weeks time frame, and it all are showing us weakness. Okay, this is what we're seeing. Now it's your turn. You can call the markets right alongside with us. There's no right or wrong answers. We just simply want you all to learn how to interpret the price bars and the volume to get an understanding as to what the market actually is feeling. Everything doesn't go straight up all the time. You would have to expect that there would be times to where you don't need to join in with the market, and there will be times to where you need to come in and sell, right? Because if you continue to hold, there's no guarantee that the market will always go up, especially for these spec plays. Or look at these SPACs, right? Many of these SPACs are not going higher in price anymore. It seems like it's losing its zeal, its sizzle. It's not there as it once was. Everyone jumped onto the SPAC wagon, and now you guys can see that literally the air has been coming out of these SPACs. So I want you all to drop me a comment in the comment section. Tell me, where do you all see the market in CCIV going? We got initially our ultimate support area now is going to be around $17. But granted, when you look at this on the 3 weeks, the longer we go out in time, don't be surprised to see the market go a lot lower than that. All right. So now check it. Let me know what you all think about CCIV. How low you think it's going to go? Do you think it's going to go higher? Whatever you think, just drop the comment in the comment section. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.